Kamiti iria iramataga kigina kia Youth Fund bunge-ini ya Embu yugite mbeca iria maheanite kuri andu ethi itihuthikite uria kwagiriire na nikio marendekithia mihango ya kuheana mbeca makiria irugamio.
Concerned that the procedures used in the first disbursement may have been fraud, deeply concerned that the funds may not achieve their stated objectives, this County Assembly urges the County Executive to immediately stop further disbursements of the funds until the report of the relevant County Assembly Committee on the first disbursement is deliberated on by the Assembly.
Kuringana na kamiti ino, hari ciringi milioni 10 iria maheanite mwaka muthiru mathiururuka mationete wira uria cirutite. No gavana wa Bora ni areganite na kurugamio kwa uheani wa kigina giki, akiuga ni kigunite andu ethi na njira nene.
Ni tukenete muno tondu ni turona ayuthi aria maveru mwaka muthiru ni marariva bia na ni mara succeed na biashara.
Gavana ateterithitie ati gutire mbeca ciurite amu Embu kuri na tabarira cia bata iria ihuthikite ni atongoria a icigo ingi ta kionereria.
Ni mufano mwega muno ni turakeneria andu atongoria na imwana irauma county cienge guka kuthoma the success ya Embu County Youth Trust Fund.
Murugamiriri wa maundu ma njamba njethi kaunti-ini ino Emily Njoke augite makiria ma yuthi 700 ni mahetwo ngombo na ena mwihoko mbeca ici ni kumateithĩrĩria gwĩkũria.
So what I would say is that this has been one of the most successful initiative that has empowered the young people, that has created jobs to 700 youth directly and about 1500 youths indirectly.
Oho ni oritie atongoria kunyitanĩra guteithanĩrĩria gũkũria andu ethi handu ha kũmoraga ngoro. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.